This is the test 1 review for MAT 1033. This is going to be number 56. It says use synthetic division to divide 8x squared minus 3 divided by x minus 2. So first thing first, with synthetic division, I'm going to set the denominator equal to 0. And I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 2 plus 2 cancel out. I'm left with x equals 2. So that's the number that goes in my little box. Now I know I'm going to have placeholders. So I know 8x squared, there's no x's. So going down in order, there's 2 x's, then there's 1 x, but there's not a term with just x, so that's going to be 0. Minus 3. So again, this column is going to be x squared, going in descending order. If I have 2 x's, my next one has 1 x. My next term has no x's, so just a number. I have 8x squared, I have 0x, and then I have negative 3. So I'm all set up to start my synthetic division. So I have to start off somewhere, so I have to bring down my 8. And this is like my starting point, so my pattern's going to start. So 8 times 2 gives me 16. Adding down, 0 plus 16 gives me 16. Back to my starting position, so my pattern starts over. 16 times 2 gives me 32. And then I'm going to add down. So I get negative 3 plus 32 will give me 29. And I'm done with my synthetic division. So last but not least, I have to go back and put my x's back in. So if I have x squared divided by x, I have 2 x's on top taking away 1 x. So my answer is going to be in terms of just x. So 8x plus 16 plus, this is going to be my remainder. So my remainder is always over my divisor. So it's always over this x minus 2. So my final answer is 8x plus 16 plus 29 over x minus 2. And that is number 56, test 1 review, MAT 1033, intermediate algebra.